Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about in a mass transfer operation 1, unit number 6, equipment for gas liquid operations. Today discuss about topic in our mass transfer coefficient for a packed tower. Okay. In a previous lecture, આપણે યુનિટ 6માં મોસ્ટ ઓફલી ગેસ ડિસ્પર્સ અને લિક્વિડ ડિસ્પર્સમાં જોયું હતું સ્પાજ વેસલ, મિકેનિકલી એજ્યુટેટેડ વેસલ, ગેસ લિક્વિડ કોન્ટેક્ટ, ટ્રે ટાવર, પેક ટાવર, and also some characteristics of the pack tower, types of packing, random packing, regular packing. Okay, trade tower versus pack tower. Okay, so today discuss about mass transfer coefficient for a overall in a pack tower માં જોઈએ આપણે. Okay, તો start કરીએ these topics. The first one, when a pack tower is operated, which one in a pack tower is operated in a usual manner as a counter current. Okay, for absorber to stripper for transfer of solute between the gas and liquid operations. Okay, એમ આપણે વેન્ચુરી સ્ક્રબર, સ્પાજ વેસલ, ટ્રે ટાવર, પેક ટાવર એના ગેસ લિક્વિડ ઓપરેશન આપણે જોયા હતા, જેમાં સ્ટેજ વાઇઝ ઓપરેશન્સ અને કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ઓપરેશન થાય છે એ રીતે. Okay, the rate of solute transfer can be computed from measured the values of the rate of gas and liquid flow and the bulk concentration of solute in the entering and leaving streams. Okay, when a pack tower is operated in the usual manners as a counter current absorber to or strippers for transfer of solute between the gas and liquid, the rate of solute can be computed from measured the value of the rate of gas and liquid flow and the bulk concentration of solute in the entering and leaving the stream as explained in a unit number 5, જેમ આપણે already discuss કરી ગયા છે. Okay, because of the impossibility of the measuring solute concentrations and the gas liquid interface, the resulting rate of mass transfer can be expressed only overall coefficient for a gas liquid pack tower and tray tower also. Okay, overall coefficient rather than the coefficient for individual fluids. Further, since the interfacial areas between the gas and liquid is not directly measured, in such experiment the flux of mass transfer cannot be determined, but instead only the rate as a product of the flux and the total interfacial area. By dividing the rate of by the volume of the packaging, the results appear as a volumetric overall coefficient, which one kx, kyx, kgx, fog. Okay, this is a floating loading અલગ અલગ પાર્ટ આવશે ને આપણે જોઈશું. Where A is the interfacial surface per unit pack volume માટે છે. Okay, this is a simply discussion part of the mass transfer coefficient for a pack tower. Okay, શું કીધું છે? When the pack tower is operated, the usual manners is a counter absorber or stripper for a transfer of solute between the gas and liquid also. The rate of solute transfer can be computed from measured values of the rate of gas and the liquid flow and the bulk concentration of solute in the entering and leaving. As explained in unit number 5, because of the impossibility of measuring the solute concentration at the gas liquid interface, the resulting rate of mass transfer can be expressed only as overall coefficient rather than as a coefficient for the individual fluids. Further, since the interfacial area between the gas and liquid is not directly measured in such experiment, the flux of mass transfer cannot be determined, but instead only the rate of the product, the flux and the total interfacial area. By dividing the rate of volume of the packaging and the appears the volumetric overall coefficient. Okay, kx, ky, kg, fo, fol. The what is the A? The A is the interfacial area surface, interfacial surface per unit in the packed column. જેમ આપણે રેન્ડમ પેકિંગ અને રેગ્યુલર પેકિંગ જોઈ છે ને, સમ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક જોઈ હતી એના બેસિસ પર. ઓકે, the individual fluid mass transfer coefficient kx, ky and fl, fg and the interfacial area A, which make up the overall volumetric coefficient, are the differentially dependent upon the fluid operations. fluid properties of the flow rate and the type of the packing. The overall volumetric coefficient are therefore useful only in the design of tower. The field with the same packaging and handling, the same chemical system as the same flow rate and concentration as exist during the measurement. Okay, the overall volumetric coefficient are therefore useful only in the design of a tower filled with the same packaging and handling, the same chemical system as the same flow rate and the concentration as exist during the measurement. For general design purpose, the individual coefficient and the interfacial area for a necessary part. Okay, to obtain individual coefficient, the general approach has been the choose experimental conditions alag alag hoy such that the residence to the mass transfer in the gas phase is negligible to the comparison with that in the liquid. This is the case for the absorption or desorption also. So of very insoluble gases, for example oxygen or hydrogen છે ઓકે એના પ્રમાણે in the water. ઓકે એને આપણે એબ્ઝોર્પ્શનમાં ચેપ્ટરમાં બી જોવાના છે, યુનિટ નંબર 5 એમાં આવશે. ઓકે, the measurement in the such system then the lead to the values of the which can be correlated in the terms of the systematic variables. There are individually the no system involving absorption or desorption where the solute gas is in the liquid part for a liquid phase resistance in an entirely negligible part. But by subtracting the non-liquid resistance from the overall resistance, okay, it is possible to arrive that the gas phase coefficient ky, kg, fg and correlated then in terms of the system variables. Okay, another approach is for this part to obtaining pure gas phase coefficient is to make measurement when a pure liquid evaporates in the gas. Here there is no liquid resistance since the no concentration gradient for a liquid phase. Okay, and the resulting the volumetric coefficient ky, fg એ આપણે interface surface છે એના basis પર do not agree with those obtained in the manners. The first describe the above. The reason is the different effective interfacial areas as explained in the below part for a liquid hold up. Okay, જે એના basis પર આપણે discuss કરીશું. For a liquid hold up, the refers in the related in the tower as a film waiting the packing at the spools of cut the crevice between the packaging particles. It is found that the total hold of phi L is made up to two parts. Okay, the LO and LS. The L is a static and operating of the moving. The operating. Okay, static L એટલે operating. The for moving hold up the each express as a volumetric liquid pack volume. The moving hold up consists of the liquid which continuously moves through the packaging, continuously replaced regularly and rapidly by new liquid flowing from the above. On stopping the gas and liquid flow, the moving hold up drains from the packaging. The static hold up in the retain as pools in the protected in interstices on the packaging. The largely stagnant and only slowly replaced by the fresh liquid. On a stripping of the follow, the static hold up does not drain. In also part for these one equations. Okay, and the other one when absorption of desorption આપણે પ્રોસેસમાં જોઈએ as the absorption and desorption of the static solute occurs involving the transfer of a solute between the bulk of liquid phase. The liquid of the static hold up rapidly comes to the equilibrium with the adjacent gas and thereafter its interfacial surface contributes nothing to the mass transfer except in the slowly replaced for absorption and desorption. Therefore the smaller areas offered by the moving hold up is effective when evaporation or condensation part occurs with the liquid phase a single pure component. However, the areas offered by the total hold up is effective since the liquid then offers no resistance to mass transfer. Okay, when absorption or desorption of a solute occurs in the transfer and the solid to bulk and liquid phase માટે gas phase છે. Okay, the static hold up is rapidly comes to the equilibrium for adjacent part for a interfacial surface also, and the contributes nothing to mass transfer except as it is slowly replaced for absorption and desorption also. Therefore, the smaller areas offered by the moving hold up is effective when evaporations or condensation occurs with the liquid phase. A single pure component, however, the areas obtained by the total hold up is effective since the liquid then offers no resistance to mass transfer basis. Okay, so you have a mass transfer the most of the packaging data for a simple equivalent in this part available in the okay આ ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ નથી. આપણે જોઈએ છે નેક્સ્ટ ઇન ધ કાઉન્ટર કરંટ ફ્લો. Which one topic is continuously part in mass transfer to equipment for gas liquid operations. આપણે ટોપિક જોઈએ અત્યારે એનો mass transfer coefficient of for packed tower and then after co-current flow of gas and liquid. Okay, co-current flow ના બેસિસ પર જોઈએ આપણે એટલે gas and liquid નું this one. Okay, the co-current flow of gas and liquid, the counter current flow of gas and liquid is usually the down spot. હવે ડાઉનવર્ડમાં આપણે જે સિમ્પલી જોઈ ગયા જે આપણે ટ્રે ટાવરમાં એને સિમ્પલી વિયર ડાઉન સ્પોટ ઓલ્સો ઇન ધ સ્પાટ ડાઉન કોમર જે ઉપરથી ફ્લો થાય છે ગેસ અને લિક્વિડના પ્રમાણમાં તે એનો ફ્લોટેશન પ્રમાણે કેટલું થાય છે એનો પાર્ટ ઇનલેટ વિયર અને આઉટલેટ વિયર પ્રમાણે ફિગરમાં આપેલો છે એ પ્રમાણે છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ ધ through packed bed in the use of catalytic chemical reactions between the components of these fluids. The catalyst is usually being some active substance supported upon the granular ceramics and material. Such arrangements are as known as a trickle bed reactor for the strictly diffusional separation processes. When the packaging is inactive and merely by the provisional provides a means of producing interfacial surface. It should be recalled that the co-current flow can produce no better than one theoretical stage and the no separations. Okay, this is sufficient for substantially the complete separation where the chemical reactions okay the accompanies the diffusional separation also. For example જોઈએ આપણે absorption of hydrogen. ઓકે, જેમાં એમોનિયા સિન્થેસિસના આપણે પ્રોસેસ જોઈએ તેમાં એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન આવશે અને ડિટેલમાં બી જોવાના છે આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 5 એના માસ ટ્રાન્સફર ઓપરેશન 1. ઓકે, ધ ડિફ્યુઝન સેપરેશનમાં આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ઓફ હાઇડ્રોજન sulfide into the strongly basic solutions such as the aqueous sodium hydroxide. For this situation, there is the advantages that fluiding is impossible. There is no upper limit for the permissible flow rates in the absence of the reactions. However, the co-currently flow and radially is useful for rapidly okay rarely useful થાય એના માટે અને practically all the availables okay the practically all the available data constant conditions suitable for catalysis with small packaging particles small sphere cylinder and the like, which thus catalytic support very complete reviews of pressure drop and a mass transfer of such situations are available. Okay, then after axial mixing એ આપણે જોઈ લઈએ એન્ડ ઇફેક્ટ એન્ડ એક્સિયલ મિક્સિંગ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ટોપિક જોઈશું ડિટેલ્સમાં. ઓકે, આ હીરો પાર્ટ છે જે ડિટેલ્સમાં આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. ઓકે, which one part is a and effect and axial mixing is a simple discussion part જ છે જે આપણે ડિસ્કશન જ કરવાનો છે અને પછી રિવિઝન પાર્ટ આખું જોઈ લઈશું એકવાર. ઓકે, ટ્રે ટાવર અને પેક ટાવર સાથે. ઓકે, તો રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈ લઈએ આપણે એકવાર. Which one? This is a co-current flow of liquid and the gas through the packaging. Okay, for most of these packaging, random packing, the pressure drop suffered by the gas is influenced by the gas and the liquid flow rates in a manner similar to the shown in a figure. The slope of the line for dry packaging is usually in the range, indicating the turbulent flow of most particle gases of velocities also. Okay, gas velocity, the pressure drop increasing the gas rate principally because of the reduced cross sectional available for flow of the gas resulting release it. The first one, layer of liquid. Second one, liquid may be the fill lower part. Okay. This is a packaging restraint. This is a mass transfer coefficient for a packed tower જોઈએ આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈ ગયા. ઓકે, પેક ટાવર જે કાઉન્ટર કરે છે એમાં એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું એબ્ઝોર્બર અને સ્ટ્રીપરનું ફોર ધ solid between the gas and liquid. The rate of solid transfer can be computed from the measured value of the rate of gas and the liquid flow in the bulk concentration of the solute in the entering living. Okay, તો આ પ્રમાણે છે ટોપિક્સ ધીઝ વન ને કો કરંટ ફ્લો ઓફ ગેસ લિક્વિડ તે બી જોયું આપણે. નેક્સ્ટ જોઈશું આપણે એન્ડ ઇફેક્ટ એન્ડ એક્સેલ મિક્સિંગ. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં બીજો ટોપિક જોઈશું.